97 6-speed twin turbo. Just a small video of it. Let's go on the inside. It's the interior. Back seats. Turn it on. There's all the documentation. Everything's in there as the pictures provide. I can open the hood. See if that's visible. Can't really tell. There's a crack on the windshield though from a rock, so I have to change that up. There's a motor. All stock, no mods, really clean, low miles.